Nobody can insult you without your permission. What is insult? If you think you are somebody, you are a tiger. Occasionally somebody thinks you are a monkey and they say you're a monkey. Then you get terribly angry. You know you are a monkey, but you are acting as a tiger. But if you are a monkey and you accept you are a monkey, somebody calls you monkey, fine. That's what he is for. So be who you are. Most of us live a different life. Don't live on your reputation. Reputation is what the world thinks. Live on yourself, your character. Character is what you are. And I know what I am. And I don't want to live as what Pasu said I am. I am. So I know my frailties, my weaknesses, my strong points, etc., etc. You are happy. Otherwise, on the day somebody insults you, your headache, your blood pressure goes up. You go to the doctor. Then you check up. Check up means you're a patient. You're a patient means you don't come back. And that's what happens to you. So don't do that. Live comfortably. Number 3, eat natural food in moderation. Simple thing is, can I eat this doctor? Can I eat that doctor? That contains cholesterol, doctor. That will kill you. Eat what you like, but in moderation. I'll give you a simple formula, Chinese formula. I drink when I am thirsty. I eat when I am hungry. If the heavens don't fall down, I certainly live till I die. You get the formula? And then third very important thing is sleep well. And how much should one sleep? I don't know. You may want to sleep for 10 hours. I may want to sleep for 4 hours. It's individualized. But on an average, about 6 to 7 hours, 8 hours is good. But don't sleep more than 9 hours because your lifespan comes down. Your muscles degenerate. You're not made to sleep. And don't sleep when the sun is up. Don't sleep when the sun is up. Your sleep rhythm starts only when the sun goes down. Our ancestors used to sleep when the sun goes down because they had no light. And they wake up before the sun comes up because the light comes before the sun comes up. When the birds start chirping, that's the time the sun has already risen somewhere. But what happens today in Bombay? There is no night at all. There's no night at 24 hours, there's light. Probably night has more light than daytime. These artificial lights are very bad. In your sleeping room, don't have any electronic gadget on. The electromagnetic energy is bad for you. You don't have even the switch on of a television, which is switched from your, bed. No, switch it off. And don't keep a mobile phone for charging at night. No, don't have any switch on. Don't want dirty electricity effect on you. Do you know if you go to a laboratory with so many computers there and so much of connections there, so many cell phones, give your blood 200 blood sugar. You go to Maidan, stay for about 4 hours, then call the man there to take your blood. It is 120. That is the effect of these electromagnetic gadgets on you. So don't sleep with that. Number 3, don't sleep with any light coming to your bed. It must be pitch dark. The darker it is, the sleeper comfortable is the sleep. A lot of people say snoring is bad, but I think everyone snores. People don't know because only their wives know they snore. And I was one of my students one day told me in the class, sir, why do you think they call it a sound sleep? His argument was very interesting. He says, unless you make sound, you are not very deep sleep. Very good idea. Very good idea. Anyway, so that's the one thing about sleeping. Last thing is, don't overeat at night. Last food must be before sunset. Then you can take any number of hours to sleep, but don't eat after the sun sets. The Jain system is very healthy. Jain system is very healthy. See, she knows. And you eat like a king in the morning. Your breakfast must be. Eat like a commoner at lunchtime. Eat like a pauper at night.